A daring nighttime attack and vandalism at the village committee office by a miscreant occurred in Ramshankar ADC Village Committee under the Hezamara Block in Mohanpur subdivision. The incident, which took place under the cover of darkness, came to light on Friday morning. Police have rushed to the spot and officially initiated a probe into the matter. According to reports, the perpetrator targeted the administrative building late at night, utilizing sharp weapons to gain forced entry. The miscreant used a machete to hack through the office door, causing severe damage to the entry point before breaking inside. Once inside, the attacker went on a rampage, destroying official furniture, scattering documents, and damaging property within the office premises. The entire act of vandalism was captured clearly on the office's CCTV cameras.
Mohanpur Hezamara Block ni andaro Ramshankar ADC Village Committee. Tini pungo anu GRS or Ponchayni ni GRS or sit the drama anu pun kayu. Kami Chini Ponchayt ba samjan miya horo pokoknya talarok to mana dugula bersebainai Ponchayni joto mang chair table komputer orang je mana jamani dami mal joto no sebai kalang baca ni sana. Engkau angwana cakap hai, tangi mau hayang kah nanyai. Engkau logo na ang chairman songgo pak Ponchayt committee ni Ponchayt di chairman do member orang nojo tono noja nubai kah. Ponchayt chairman sah orang je Ponchayt do miya horo kasih gotu nangkapo, gotu nangkap Ponchayt ni talarok sebai nai, dua lampu sebai nai, sambil ni kasih korok seserai, mau kasih sebai kalang khanis hawala engkau ang joto noja nubai kah. Engkau nong bang mazan no khazat no.
Nini tabu Ponchayt dogo CC camera rokong ngable.
CC camera tu.
Emne bini mangpili foto ro video ro no ka.
Camera check kaman pore staduk senglu like a video ekta footage maka je korok seserai datui phaina ho.
Bo amzani.
Abu ta ang sinia ko.
Upon receiving information about the break-in on Friday morning, a team from the local police station immediately arrived at the Ramshankar ADC Village Committee office to inspect the scene of the crime.
এমনে কি ক্ষতি হয়েছে?
এই ক্ষতি হয়েছে সিসি ক্যামেরা ভাঙছে।
তারপরে
তালা ভাঙছে দরজা মজা তো দাও দিয়ে পুরোপুরি ভাঙছে আর কাজপত্র সব ফালাই দিছে।
Police have secured the CCTV footage as primary evidence and have launched a manhunt to nab the accused, who is currently on the run. Pure report, Chini Khorang.